Everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name in Facebook. To do that, I need to first open a browser. I have opened my browser, which is Google Chrome. You can use any kind of browser. Come to your browser and go to your Facebook. So when you will open Facebook, you will like you will go through your profile. This is my profile. Okay, when you will open Facebook, you will go through your profile, and then if you click on that section here, where your profile picture is shown, click on that and you will see your page right up underneath your profile. Okay, click on your profile, see your page profile. So it will take you to your page profile. Here my page name is Urbanov. It's a clothing shop, online clothing shop. I want to change the name of my page. Okay, so I will click here and go to settings and privacy. Go to settings and scroll down, and here you can see page setup. Okay, click on page setup. There you can see name Urban Wolf. I will click on view. Then here you can see the name. There is Urban Wolf. Edit, click on edit. Okay, so here it is written that if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. I don't want to change my name of my Facebook page right now, so I'm just showing you that if you just delete it and write a new name like fantastic 24, the name, if you want to keep the name of your new page fantastic 24, or any kind of name that you like, just write it down and click on review change. It will automatically change the page of your Facebook page. As I don't want to change my Facebook page name, so I'm not clicking on review change, but you can do that. Okay, so within a very few process and very few simple steps, you can easily change the Facebook page name of your Facebook page if you are not liking it right now. And mind that you can't change that again within 60 days. You have to wait for 60 days. So be careful. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what kind of videos you like from us. Thank you.